Are you looking to give your 6.2 liter GM truck an additional 300 wheel horsepower? Then we here at Nitrous Express have exactly what you need. Our engineers have designed this system specifically for the 6.2 liter GM trucks, and it combines performance, quality, and easy installation into one awesome nitrous system. With the use of our superior components, this system is able to add 300 horsepower straight to your rear wheels at the flip of a switch, and it can be converted to a dual stage system with part number NX933D for even more power. There are a few parts that stand out from the rest in this system. First up is the Spraybarless billet aluminum throttle body plate. This plate is CNC machined for the perfect fit and anodized in black for the ultimate in corrosion resistance and looks. Without any spray bars to sag, rotate, or disrupt airflow, this is truly the next generation of nitrous technology. Next up is our Lightning Series solenoids. These solenoids feature CNC machined billet aluminum bodies topped with carbon fiber cans for the ultimate in weight savings, performance, and looks. The solenoid bases offer an improved flow path that eliminates sharp turns and expansion areas in the nitrous flow path. This keeps the nitrous in dense liquid form, making you more power while utilizing less nitrous. Another one of these awesome components is our Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, but is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large 1/2-inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old style brass valves. If you purchase your system with a bottle, we include this awesome billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. We also include everything you need to complete the installation, including a TPS wide open throttle switch that activates your nitrous system only at full throttle and shuts off when you let your foot off of the accelerator. A fuel rail adapter to simplify installation with no need to cut your factory fuel lines, jetting for 35 to 300 wheel horsepower, stainless braided lines, and all of the necessary hardware to complete the installation. So if you're ready to have the fastest 6.2 truck in your town, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.